Come out.
Landlord.
Oh, yeah, come out. Where are you going to? Don't name anything, nonsense. Boss. Listen, I've been seeing the both of you discussing, gallivanting, having nonsense conversation.
Landlord, we're discussing about business.
Business kill you. Business will kill you. Where's my money? Where's my money?
Landlord, see,
This thing has become a story. It has become one thing I don't understand. Emma, where's my money?
Nah, even the money now we won't go collect. We won't go collect the money. When we collect and come, we'll pay you for front.
It's true.
5 years.
You pay me for front 5 years. Listen to me, the both of you. My money shouldn't pass next week.
It won't pass his landlord.
If my money pass next week, you will not like me. Hey, by the way, where are you going to?
We're going to.
We won't go see Akpan.
Akpan.
Leave. She knows about.
Nah. If you come go meet Agidigba, then we'll tell him our problem. See, landlord they disturb us. Say he will show us how we use make money.
So that's how we want to do.
Humble. Daddy Humble. I like this girl. I know this girl well. I always see him. Anytime they come buy Maggie, sometimes they come buy things every day for these streets. I see him. I know him. I like him.
What's my business with you like anything? Let's go where we are going to now.
Humble, you know, say me I never marry. And this kind of girl now, you know, she feel be the love of my life. And then go born my children.
You're talking about we are looking for house rent. You're talking about woman. If you go and look for house rent.
Leave the money. God go do am. I just teach me how to go talk to this girl. I like the girl.
I teach you what you do now. Go and meet her. Since you want to go and talk to her, meet her. Tell her that you like her. You want to do. That's all. Go.
Ma just go tell her and say I like her.
You want to do. Yes.
Daddy, go. I like it.
Go now.
Auntie. Sorry, no vex. My name is Emma. I like you. And I want make we do. Auntie, I say I like you, and I want more we do. I want more we do. I like you, really.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
They talk to her, she no agree.
This is what you want to do.
Landlord.
This is the life you want to live, Abi.
Landlord, no.
What?
No, not what you think. We wanted to.
You were trusting her.
No.
We wanted that her.
No.
You were looking at hips. No. Humble hips. Emma hips.
I like the girl and my friend.
Friend will kill you. Better behave yourself. Tomorrow night you say you don't have money to pay me, but you have money to go for hips. Hips. Hips will kill the both of you. Allah, you will not like me. You will not like me in future.
Hey, sorry.
Behave yourself.
Where's it going?
You won't go talk to the girl now.
Baby, how are you? How did you? See, I'm a landlord in this area, in this island here. I have estate. Have you heard about Greenville Estate? Na me. Can we date? I mean date. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
You think she said no?
We know.
She did not say no.
We know.
She said I should come and...
I said we know.
Better come and pay me my money. Thunder fire you. Thunder fire the both of you. I mean thunder.
Nah, wow, this woman onions is too small. It be like say this woman no like the way I dey buy market from her. She want lose customer, but she no know. Just cray onions she give me like this now. Now wow, and even feel like that self say the onion even cost. Hi. Wow. Now what you dey see for market with that though?
Agidiba.
Humble. Emma. Now wow, what's be that now?
Agidiba.
Emma.
Problem dey, big problem.
Yes, so very big problem.
Agidiba. They talk say, you know say they talk say toad when they run for daytime for nothing. Except say he dey pursue something.
Yes.
Or something dey pursue am. But this problem now, everything dey pursue the toad. Everything dey pursue us.
Everything I dey pursue una. Now the only time when una dey remember Agidiba, now when una get problem. If everything dey go well with una no dey remember me.
Na because you be our friend.
Okay, I be una friend. I be una trouble friend. Friend in time of trouble. Eh? Now wetin I be na abi? Agidiba no be like that oh. Una no get wahala. Wetin be the problem?
Humble. Tell am.
See, Agidiba, see. Our landlord dey pursue us for house because I say we no get house rent. Una landlord dey pursue una for house. For this 2020 when things hard.
You know that there oh. You get one girl. One big fine girl wey big, she large. That big yash. I dey try to want talk this girl for long. The girl no dey agree wan answer me. She no dey agree my own. And I dey only see my future with am. Two of us, I dey see future wey me and I get children. Like 20 children. Even my landlord come go pursue that same girl.
You be mumu. Your landlord.
I dey tell you.
Only your landlord dey pursue you from house. Only your landlord still wan go chop meat wey you wan chop.
You can imagine.
Aye. No problem, I go help you. And because say una be my man, una be my man, now why I go help?
Agidiba, see, I wan make you carry us. Find us any solution.
Now why I say I go help una? I go carry you go one place. You get one of my man who will be strong babalawo.
Centrus parables.
Parable centrus. If I carry you go there, he go do something. Your landlord go dey forget everything. He go forget say una dey owe am house rent sef. Na why go go there? And he go make that girl. That girl. Anything wey you just tell her, she go do.
Oh.
If you do for and finish, I can't do my own too.
Who dey go?
Who dey go, Abi?
We go. But una go find me something. I no go carry you go for free.
I think so will be your friend.
You know, see me, I like.
Agidiba.
My brother.
If you do it for me, if the thing work, I go share the girl into two. I'll give you one part of yash. Me, I'll take one part.
You go give me one man, I can talk one man. My guy. I go to chop one. You go to chop one. Don't worry now. Make I keep my onion for inside. Mukuna relax now. This man a very spiritual man. He go.
But we don't.
That flies in the rivers.
Centrus.
And never will. The lion.
No, they
Oh, the elephant.
Igwe the Jemba.
Hey!
Relax now. Which I dey see wetin be without the pain. The great Okiripoto. The great Okiripoto. I have brought my friends. My friends, they have problems. Serious problems. Where they would like you to really help them. That is why we came to see you, Okiripoto.
Gentlemen, you are welcome to Software Solutions.
Una don welcome to Software Solutions.
Where eyes cannot see,
Well, be like say I know the sea.
ears cannot hear,
You go here, no go here.
but only the great Okiripoto can do.
Only the great Okrikoto can listen.
What brings you here?
Humble. Tell the great Okiripoto your problem.
What do you call his name again?
The great Okiripoto.
The great Okiripoto. The reason me and my friend came here now is because of our landlord. Our landlord is disturbing us because of house rent. Okiripoto, I want you to remove his mind from that his house. Remove him in his house, pata from that house, so that anytime he's passing, he will not remember that that house belongs to him again. So that we will live there forever.
Okiripoto, you know that this 2020 is very hard.
Yes.
Things are hard.
You know even end there, Okiripoto.
Okiripoto. Okiripoto.
One. Okiripoto.
Okiripoto.
You get one girl from my area. That girl too fine. She get big nash. I don't dey talk to this girl since 5 years now. The girl really want to talk to me. So Okiripoto, I want make you do something so that anytime I see the girl will feel love for me. And even my landlord, when they pursue this girl, And this girl, I dey see vision. Every time they dream me and this girl get future. 20 children.
Wonderful.
No, why the girl no dey gree one gree my own. Now we come meet you.
Yeah, Okiriboto. This is the problem that we came with.
Anyway, what do I know? Gentlemen, you came to the right place.
Oga, una don come the right place.
I told you. I told you.
Okiriboto. Okiriboto. Now take.
Make una take am.
Humble. Collect am.
Collect it now, you're close to him.
And I never touch me.
Una collect am. Collect am now. You dey fear?
I never touch medicine before.
You dey fear?
I dey fear now.
Make una no fear.
Now listen and listen very carefully.
Make you dey hear, make you hear well.
Once you go home,
Once you reach us,
rub the powder on your hand
make you put the powder for your hand.
and touch the girl.
Once you touch the girl,
She will follow you anywhere you want her to go.
she go follow you go anywhere you make you follow you go.
You don't get the girl now.
As for you,
You,
once you go home,
once you reach us,
sprinkle the powder in the
make
compound
you put the powder for your compound
with 2 drops of water
with 2 drops of water
and watch your landlord forget everything.
and make you see as your landlord go take forget everything.
Thank you. You may go.
The great Okiriboto. The great Okiriboto.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down there.
Young man, you are welcome to Soft Tech Solutions,
You don welcome to Soft Tech Solutions,
where eyes cannot see,
where eyes no go see,
ears cannot hear,
you go hear no go hear.
but only the great Okiriboto can do.
Only the great Okiriboto go fit do am.
What brings you here?
You take carry you come.
Okiriboto. The great Okiriboto. I've gone round and people insisted that I should come and see you. Okiriboto, my problem are not much. I have just but one problem, which I'm here so that you solve them for me. Okiriboto, there's a girl I've been going after. I've been walking around, I've been following her around here and there to make sure I get her. But this girl have refused me.
You just want the girl.
Okiriboto, please. If there's anything you can do for me to get this girl, Okiriboto, I'll be so glad. Meremo here.
Anyway, what do I know? If you say so. Okiriboto. Okiriboto. Now take this. Ochu one cook ada. One cook away one what's up.
But you chicken running, chicken jumping.
Now listen very carefully. Once you go home, drink it. And anything you say to the girl, she will do.
That's talk and do.
Oh yes.
Abubakar. Abubakar. She will do anything I said. Look at. Okiriboto, I will come back. I will come and thank you. You hear from me. The great Okiriboto. You hear from me.
Give me my cap now. Why you come on?
Auntie, now me the other time now I meet you for one shop where they buy something. So now me, I want to say I like you. So that I want, say I always get vision say me and you be man and woman.
Yes.
We get future together.
Yes.
So I want me and you get like 20 children. I say I can't tell you. I like you very well.
Yes.
Do that. Yeah, do it.
Ma Robam.
Do the thing.
Okay. Hey, auntie. He walk. Follow us. Auntie, follow us. We'll go. Follow us. We'll go.
Emma, humble. Agidiba, you are not joining this group. Bird of the same feather. Abubakar.
Centros Parabos.
Oh, Mlalo, what are you doing here?
So the same girl I'm tossing that I've been eyeing with my 2 eyes is the girl you now want to talk to. Whatever plan you have, cancel it now. Terminate. Agidiba, you are not leading gang. You not lead the gang.
Why not? This should not be work. This girl, na girl, me and na girl future together. I dey see vision, me and na girl like 20 children.
Yes.
It no be work, that one no be work. She dey follow me go.
You are a thief from a distance. You won't know shit. You want to steal my girl?
She dey follow us like this, go house.
Follow him.
Which house?
Our house.
Your house. We'll discuss with her.
Baby, no man, my landlord.
Let us go.
Oh, they come my house.
That reminds me. Which house do you say you're going to again?
Our
Our
house.
house.
Your house.
Our house.
Let's go together. Let's go. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Baby, join.
Hey, let's go.
Good boy.
Baby, would you just follow me back home? So I'll quickly get my things and then, we'll go to your place.
What is she saying?
Say, make we follow and go house then. Load, bongo.
So that she can come to stay with her as my girl now.
Where is your house? Ngwa, Akitiba, join. Let's go.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Please, if we should just wait here, let me quickly get my things and come outside.
Come on. Wait.
Is this not the house of Okiriboto?
Yes, Okipata is my father.
Okri what? Okri gini? Okri gini?
Hey! Ambo, why not me?
So you came to my shrine because of my daughter? Anyway, what do I know?
Say trust parables.